सगळ्यात पयलीं न्ही हांव आतां चार्ज घेतला. आय विल गो थ्रू वॉट एवर स्कोप आमच्या आयटीचो स्कोप कितें आसा तो. विथ माय नॉलेज आय नो लायक सर्टन स्कोप कितें टू प्रोवायड सम दिस थिंग ऑल सॉफ्टवेअर हार्डवेअर डेटा टू ऑल दीस गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसीस एंड ऑल लायक दॅट. बट बेजीक म्हजो कितें आसतलो आमचे जे आयटी पार्क आसा मेन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी आसा तुवें आसा ते काम म्हणजे पळोवचें आसतलें आनी ते कितले पर्यंत हांव फुडें व्हरपाक शकता ते पळोवचें आसतलें. खुबशे गोष्टी आमी हांगा कशें आसा आमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाक दिता मेंटेनन्स आसता सॉफ्टवेअर हार्डवेअर. सो वॉट आय विल स्टडी कितले आमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाक दिता हाऊ मच आउटफ्लो इज गोईंग अँड इफ आय फील की बाबा एक फिक्स जर एम्प्लॉईज दिले जाल्यार तो आउटफ्लो आमचो कमी जातलो सो दॅट कॉर्पोरेशन कॅन मेक प्रॉफीट जाल्यार वी मायट क्रिएट सम post and we might ourselves, corporation might ourselves do. Why give everything on this thing?
Are you satisfied with this corporation? No, because why I'm asking is that your profession is from the medical side, doctor.
Yes.
Doctor. So,
but beyond
any
beyond doctor, I don't know whether if you all know, I run a 75-bedded hospital. So I'm a good businessman because I started with very small clinic. Now, to run a hospital, you don't require only to be a doctor. You have to be a good administrator and good business. This thing you should have required. So that's why I feel this corporation I can do a lot here. No?
Health department is a side channel.
No, but health department corporation na. Probably I would have been the first choice. No, that's it. Probably I would have been the first choice. So this is very good corporation. Lot of scope. Is the need of our. IT is the need of our for me. And plus I have got a very good minister also, Rohan Kote, who is very proactive, very aggressive person like me. So I feel I think I should see what I am expecting is satisfaction from this.
No, but satisfaction. But satisfied as a chairman, or you were satisfied as a minister?
Right now I'm satisfied as a chairman. I'm always a satisfied soul. When I used to operate one patient a day, I used to be satisfied per day. Now I do 15 operations a day. Okay. I'm also satisfied. Now also I operate. I'm always a satisfied soul. Whatever you get, try to do the best into it. That will show.
IT always has a new concept, it's new innovations, everything, because IT at a party also, it is always like going ahead.
So that's why I'm here.
Yeah, so when you talk about Goa, in modern generation, what do you feel, especially for youth, for IT sector?
See, what I feel, a lot of our IT youths are there, and everybody is going outside. We are draining down our knowledge, intelligence. So we should, at some point, we should think and we have to create some IT infrastructure here in Goa so that we can retain few of our, at least few. I'm not saying everything. I cannot do everything in 5 years. But at least we should put foundation for that, thinking forward of that. See, everybody has done their best. Probably present CM thinks that I can do better than this. That's why. त्याच्यापेक्षा हांव बरें करू शकता आसतलो तशें आसतलें. Everybody has done best. Everybody is trying to do the best. कळ्ळें?